from Jamshedpur, Jharkhand, and I was here for the inguinal hernia, bilateral it was. I think it was a best ever experience in this case. I have gone to lots of more hospitals and clinics, but I think it was a best experience for me. The doctor was cooperative, the nurses, the staff, whomsoever I have met in this hospital, they were great. They have those the feels that could let me get towards a comfortable level. And all over the space, I have gone through the surgery that was like almost 23 years ago, and those surgery was like by birth defects problem. Those was. I think the doctor handled it really great. Thank you so much.